Our tiles are getting done, and our tiler has warned us that there is a possibility that we won't have enough tiles for all bathrooms and all floorings downstairs. When he found out what kind of tiles we ordered, he said be prepared, and we were. So we figured out that the tilers would do the floor in all bathrooms except one, and so that way they would know how many tiles do they need for the walls, and we figured that definitely for one bathroom wouldn't be enough. But lucky we ordered the tiles from overseas straight away for two projects, for this one in Sanctuary Cove and our house in Benowa. So we brought from Benowa here for that bathroom, and that needed some extra tiles, and we could see straight away, are they any good? Because again, you're ordering just from one tile sample, and I love them. I really like those tiles. They look more like a natural stone. Expensive one from overseas, but it's not a natural stone, but look great. Good to see. I'm really pleased that we've got for both houses great tiles. I like both of them, which now we know in Benowa all our flooring and all the we only have one level, but throughout plus the bathroom it will look great. Yeah, so that's the progress so far.
Bring me the hose.
Bring you the hose?
Uh-huh.
I'll bring you the hose. What are you doing?
Acid washing the pool.
Why, we're already cleaning up. Billy, we're already cleaning up. And the rain is on the way. I was just on the roof, cleaning up the roof, and it started pouring.
This in the garden somewhere. Not on the trip. On the tile or on the timber.
Okay.
It's acid.
Acid, okay.
Yeah, that's already there.
Okay.
Quick.
Quick. Okay.
Yeah, can you give me the hose?
I'll give you the hose. We've got our deck done fully. Looks great. It looks great. But the hose is on the roof.
Yeah, bring it down.
Okay.
I can't go out of the pool.
You can't go out of the pool, okay. I am cleaning up the roof. Actually, I'll show what I'm doing. I think what happened is when we were getting some things drilled in here, all these things that flying off, like the small metal bits, it's all now here and rusted. So I need to clean up the whole roof. Half of it is done, but the rain, there it is. The rain stopped me, so I done all up until here. This part needs to be done now. We're cleaning up. We're at the cleaning stage. Yeah, coming.
Ukti. You on your knees, eh?
What you do to me, Ami?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this rust. It's a fiddly thing, huh? You have to wipe and wipe. Doing some muscles here. Billy, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm playing.
You playing?
Mm-hmm.
What happened is that we ordered these Travertine lights, and they're really nice, but we need a bit of a contrast because our pool wall is made of natural stone. So those lights are getting lost in it. So we decided that we're going to paint them. We're going to paint them in a brown color so that they stand out a bit. We'll see how we go. Because those lamps have inside lights shining both ways. We're not going to paint inside, and that's why you're taping it up, yeah? Cool. I'll show where they go at the pool, and then I'll show the results. That's the wall I'm talking about. It has these crazy pavers, so the lamps are very similar to that color, but because we have a dark wooden flooring, those brown lights will go right nicely in there. Okay. I love the smell. I'm a bit of a paint junkie. I love the smell of petrol and paint. It's already looking good. Could potentially leave it like that as is already. Nice. Once it dries up, we decide if we're going to put a second coat or not, yeah?
I probably wouldn't.
You probably wouldn't.
It looks more natural as.
Really? Yeah, okay.
Because if you cover fully, then it will be basically just brown. Like this. Now it's got all these different.
You can see the texture in it, yeah?
Maybe
All right.
you can put another coat, but yeah.
Maybe we'll
Again,
see.
light coat.
Once it dries up, then we will know, yeah? Hello. This is the first. Bill says, "What are you looking for?" This is the first time I'm seeing that the tilers have done the walkway. Nice. Yeah, tilers are almost finishing. Now we'll have a look inside. I haven't been here for a while. What did you say, Billy? Let's have a look what's inside. Come and tell me what's happening.
Your car is a Honda, not Hyundai.
My car is a Honda, not Hyundai. Okay, good to know.
You just thought it's H.
I really don't care.
You have a swimming pool in front as well.
We went to New Zealand
You have a
for.
swimming pool in the front as well.
You have a swimming pool in the front as well. Okay. You either stay very close with me so we can hear you, or I'm gonna put a microphone on you. He won't even stay with me. Okay, so what's happening in here? The tilers are finishing. We've been on the holidays in New Zealand, but we came back 1 week earlier. Weather was not good. It was raining and cold and raining and cold and raining and cold. So we decided it's more exciting to be here on a project than being there in cold and rain. But in the meantime, the tilers were doing their job, so they already grouted, so that's good. It's not much that's happening here, so basically I'll just show the tiler's job. Ooh. Nice. I decided to go for gold on all the corners. I've never used gold before. It's kind of modern now, so I thought, why not? Why not try? Obviously, when the mirror cabinet, the vanity, when all remaining items come in, it's going to look different again. But in the meantime, that's what we've got. Hello. It's hiding from me. Okay. It's raining a lot this year, huh? I like the tiles. Bill is filling up the pool already. Ooh. I love the way it looks. Nice. So basically here we just need to put the outside lights on that wall and balustrade glass.
Interesting with the black tile, huh?
Interesting with the black tile, yeah. I quite don't mind it. You? Don't know?
Don't know yet. Haven't decided yet.
You haven't decided yet. Well, it doesn't look bad.
No.
Would you use it at home? I don't know. But it's different for sure. It's a
Kind of feels uninviting.
black mosaic tile. What did you say?
It feels kind of uninviting, like, I don't know, I want to go in,
Yeah?
you know, because it's black. I don't know, maybe
Yeah.
that's just me.
I agree with you. So we wouldn't do it at home. But it's interesting.
It looks upmarket.
It looks upmarket, it looks
but
fancy.
It's not inviting.
Cool. Let's have a look upstairs. The one bathroom where they had to use a different tile. They've used the tile from our other project because we didn't have enough. So this is still the same tile. Yeah, I guess they very much look alike. But upstairs is a different one. Have they done those golden infills for me yet? Not yet?
We only got them on Friday, or yesterday.
I don't know if you can hear Bill, but he said they only got them yesterday or on Friday in a master bedroom ensuite. Oh. No, they haven't done it yet. We're doing something different this time. Those golden infills are going to be in here, one here and one there.
It's only like a little bit bigger than the other one.
Yeah, but I want it even bigger, to be honest.
That's it.
Yeah, that's the biggest that they have, yeah. I would have preferred even bigger. So but that's okay, you can still see it.
Think it maybe double, but it doesn't look good when you put them side by side. And then you have a line.
Then you have a line in the middle. Yeah, with the double it's not gonna go. No. But ideally I would have liked that size, yeah? That would make them standing out. But well, we've got what we've got, yeah? Okay. But I like this here. Once all the lighting is on, well, once all the lamps are on and chandeliers and you name it. Okay. Yeah, this is not yet done.
And they have these two bars. Really nice. So they made a damage there and there.
They made a damage.
Yeah. They did. And I said to them, why did you lift it up?
So the tilers are not listening to us. We tell them not to lean anything against the walls, especially the walls that we have put a wallpaper on, and yet they still do it. When you're not here, they do as they pleased, yeah?
I can see them be cutting in there as well.
They've been doing what?
Cutting in that room.
Yeah? Cutting the tiles. Cutting in here the tiles, that's not good. So that's the different bathroom. That's what we're going to be using in our Benowa house.
It's kind of nice, kind of different.
Interesting, yeah? But I like.
Yeah, I know, I like it. I'm just saying, like, it's kind of different.
It's more classic look.
Yeah. Yeah. But it goes with the... Yeah. Nice. Okay, but they haven't grouted in here yet.
No, because
And
they didn't have enough tiles.
why do we have such a little niche?
Because that's only one I could make from the thing to start.
Really? It's a little bit little.
Yes.
It's a little bit too
It was a
little.
bit bigger, but they actually made it even smaller because, you know, they pack it in and...
The tilers made it a bit smaller.
I made it as big as I could between two timbers.
Uh-huh. But see, when you're renovating, you've got to work with what you've got, yeah? Okay.
I'm just thinking now what to do on top. See, because the way the chipper goes in, so we can either put trim along the edge and finish out that way, or just silicone it and still have that indentation there. I don't know. You have to decide, see which one looks more suitable for this sort of house.
Okay. We'll see.